Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition world. Today, guys, we have this place. I don't know. It's like a small village for the look, and then we have this tree house. It's pretty low. It's pretty low, but honestly, that was kind of weird. But today, guys, I just woke up, but not in real life, in the game, and the villagers are up. Everybody's up, and we're gonna have a great day today in this village. Oh yeah. Oops, I broke it. And yeah, we're gonna have a great time. Oh, get rid of this. Get rid of all this. We're not gonna need this. Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna have a blast. Let me put this creeper in there. Oh, are fine. All right, guys. So yeah, we're gonna have a blast. Let me get my shovel, or no, maybe a hoe. A hoe, guys, a hoe. I'm gonna get a golden hoe, and then I'm gonna get seeds. Seeds. Which one should I plant? Pumpkin, melon, or beetroot? I'm gonna plant melon. Yeah, and then we're gonna need some water, and then and then we're gonna need some. I think that's it. All right, all right, all right. So where? Oh, let's just do it right here. Oh hey, yeah, we're gonna have a blast, guys. We're gonna have. Excuse me. Stop walking in my stuff. Yeah, wait. I actually forgot which one it was. Well, what the heck? No, chill, chill. All right. Oh no, I thought it was a little too close to my house. All right, so right here, I'm gonna put the water. The water's gonna go right here. And then I'm gonna drop some bone meal in that. No, get rid of that. Alright, well, don't, don't they help grow crops? Oh well, I really don't care. Now let's put some bone meal in the water, and it actually does something pretty cool. Wait, I've seen it in the video, but not. Oh, please. Please, melon. Please grow now. I want to eat some melons. Can you please grow now? Because I want you so bad. Okay. Well, we'll let that grow. Yeah. Excuse me. You. No, not you. Go. You. Talking to you. No. Constant. I said, what is wrong with you, asshole? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go inside my yard. I don't care. Die, bro. Die, bro. Ah, bro. All right, bro. Haha. Guys, I'm actually getting ready to play a Fortnite game. But meanwhile, try and do a Minecraft video. Yeah, we're just gonna have a blast. Hey! Alright, ooh, a map. Shoot! You get it, guys? I saw the creeper and I said shoot, and I'm about to shoot an arrow. Haha. Really I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I meant to shoot the creeper. No. Why? I'm sorry. Look, I'm sorry. Come back out. You know what? I don't need you. Ugh. You. Oh! Oh, what is wrong with me hitting these creepers? I mean, these villagers. Alright, we're gonna have a blast. Yeah, we're gonna have a blast. Wait, what the heck? Oh no! It's the tornado siren! Guys, a tornado's coming! Wait, what? Tornado alert! Ah! Everybody run inside! Run! A tornado! A tornado's about to hit right here! What are we gonna do? A tornado! A tornado's coming! Ah! Okay, go in here, go in here, go in here. Okay. A tornado. A tornado! A tornado's coming! Somebody! Tornado alert! Oh no! Okay, wait, is it gonna flood? Is it gonna flash flood? Wait, hold on, let me turn on the TV. Let me turn on the TV news. Okay, where's the remote? Oh, the remote is right here. Alright, turn on the TV. Okay, what's it say? Breaking news! Warning! Flash flood coming! Ah! Oh no! Okay, don't panic. Okay, don't panic. Don't panic. You! My worst enemy! Come back here. Oh yeah. No, you're drinking that potion of healing. Mira. Estoy en algo bien extraño ahorita. What am I supposed to do, guys? Like, I'm done for. I'm literally done for. I'm done for. I'm done for. I'm done for. No. It's over, guys. I'ma die. What the? Wait, I see something over there, guys. It's coming over here. It's coming. Go inside. I need to get to safety. Where am I? It's flooded. It had flooded, guys. It flooded. I can't even get out of this nightmare. Help! Somebody help! Oh no. Okay, I need to go inside my house. I need to go inside my house. Okay, I made it out of the flood. Alright. No! My house! What the? Are you? Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna be underwater, but turns out it wasn't. Okay. Wait. Oh, what the? Flash flood warning. Breaking news. No. Oh no, it's windy. Help! Help! Okay, I'm safe inside the house. Okay, I'm safe inside the house. I'm safe. I'm safe. I don't have to deal with this. Okay. Wait, what the? What the? Are you serious? My house! Dude! My house! Okay, close the door. No, no, don't close the door. Oh no! Okay, okay, calm down. Calm down. What do we do, villager? What do we do? Okay.